Okay, so everyone, it's going to be 10 minutes only. I'll ask you one by one, simple question. Okay, in Hindi, you have to translate that into English. Okay, so you people are gathered here to gain English knowledge in your life, and it is very easy to learn English. Very easy. Just master your quality. Master means MUSTR. Master your confidence. Master your boldness. Then you can speak English. You have to be confident and you have to be outspoken over here. You don't think what mistake are you going to do. You don't think what right thing you are going to do. No, just you think you are here as a learner and you want to learn English. That's all. Okay, when you will have idea to speak, framing formula sentence, then later on you can master your sentences, implementing good words, implementing your formula. Most of the time you try to imitate sentences. Most of the time you try to copy sentences. You when you watch any movie, suppose there a hero or a heroine speaks any word or sentence in English, you imitate. If you know, don't do. If you don't know, do copy. If there is no exercise book, no problem. There is, nowadays facility in every Android phone. There is, I think, what is that? File, notes, notebook is there. You type there that word or sentences and try to find a meaning of that particular word or sentences on internet or dictionary. If you don't find, bring here. I will help you to give you the correct meaning of that. But this kind of determination, this kind of commitment should be in you. If you don't think, then how will you develop your English? While you are going home, suppose you see anything else in the ground, on the road, just think and write down those things all and you ask me. If you don't do, how will you learn? Every day at least you bring 10 words. 10 words every day. English or Nepali. Every day you should bring 10 words. अब मैले भन्नु पर्यो सपोज मुझे कहना है इसका दो टुप्पी है. Suppose I am giving example, tuppi, do tuppi hai. And if you do not know the meaning of tuppi, how will you say in English? If the person is nearby you, they will say, tuppi means this, you are saying. Okay. If the person whom are you talking right now, nearby you, then you can say, but suppose you are talking someone else on phone, how will you say tuppi? Tuppi, will the person see you? No. Is the person seeing you? No. At that time, you have to, make satisfied the person whom are you talking right now. Tuppi. So, at this time, you need exactly the word of that particular thing. Suppose you have to say that iska sar mein jumra hai, zoo hai. Suppose you don't know meaning of this jumra, how will you say in English? Do you know what is called jumra in English? Zoo, we call this in Hindi. What is meaning of this jumra? Do you know anybody? Does anybody know the meaning of this jumra? No, we don't know. So why don't you write? Why don't you write? You should write. So if you don't write, then how shall I know whether you need or not the meaning of this word? Jumra means lies. L-I-C-E. Jumra. L-I-C, lies. Louse also we say L-O-U-S-E. Louse means one Jew. L-I-C, lies means more than one. Cowlick. Tuppi means cowlick. C-O-W cow. L-I-C-K. Cowlick. Tuppi means. Okay? Understood now? Yes. Sorry? Kirna means tick. T-I-C-K. Yes, Kirna. Kirna is a sort of insect, okay, and it sucks our blood. What does Kirna do? It sucks our blood. Sucks means, you know what? Khoon chusta hai. Suck means what? Chusna. So tick sucks our blood, and joke. What is called joke in English? Do you know? Juga we say in Nepali. Leech also suck our blood. S-U-C-K. Understood now? Leech suck our blood. Tick sucks our blood. Got me now? Yes, like this you should know, and you should bring, like every day you should bring word. L-I-C-E, lice. This is L-I-C means more than one. L-O-U-S-E. This is lich means Juka. This is. Understood? Okay. Kausal Gale, what happened to this? You have got mark on your wrist. This is called what? This is called wrist. Okay. You should know this. This is called wrist. This is what? Do you know meaning of this? What? Thumb. This is. This is. This is. This is. Pinky or little finger. We call this. Small finger. I think people don't say. So pinky, ring finger, middle finger, index, thumb. And this is what? What is meaning of this? Palm, not plum, palm. Atheli. Tumhara naam likhte meter. I write your name in palm and delete. Right? And this is what? Wrist. This is wrist. This is arm. Okay. So you should know every part of your body in English. This is nose. This is not nostril. This is nostrils. This is right. And this is lips. These are lips actually we say because one or two. These are lips. This is chin. This is cheek. This is eyes. This is and this is eyelashes. These are eyelashes. Okay. One tooth. This is tooth. More than one teeth. And this is Zabada one what? Jaw. This is and this is Giza one. This is called in English gum. Gum. This is understood. And Junga means mustache. Dadi means beard. Yes. What?
G-U-M.
G-U-M gum. Yes. Yes. Muzzle is different. Muzzle means thutuna. Nowadays girls they make and they take photo. This is muzzle. Muzzle means what? Thutuna. Jaw. This is bangara. Okay. This is got me. And this is earlobe. And what we put here, this become earring. This is earring. Got me. And here in body this is shoulder. Okay. Tika is tika. Ab yo high kar rahi hai. What is called that in English? Yanning. Y-A-W-N. Yan. Yes. This is Kanpatti temple. This is called. But the spelling is different. T-A-M-P-L. Temple. This is sadi. You know what is called this sadi in English? Sideburns. S-I-D-B-U-R-N. Sideburns. This is sadi. Okay. Sadi. This is sideburns. S-I-D-E-B-U-R-N. Sideburns. You have nice sideburns like Salman Khan. Sideburns. Sadi. Got me? And this is called. This is throat. This is what? Throat. What? Thyroid. Throat. This is what? This part is called throat. And this all part is neck. Understood? And this is called, we in Nepali kilkile. What is called this in Hindi? This part? What? Go. What is this called? This is called in English Adam's apple. Girls don't have Adam's apple. That's why don't share your privacy and secret matter with them. They are Wi-Fi. Okay. Yes. A-D-A-M apostrophic is Adam's apple. This is okay. Adam's apple. Understood? I have Adam's apple.
Apple means fruit.
Yes, same. A-double-P-A. Understood, brother? Now, this is called, you know what? This is, Goda means, you know what? Knee. This person is saying kneel. Goda means knee, okay? Yes. That's why, and when we play football, we wear, football kits, right? And here, this is chapari is called what? Calf. C-A-L-F. Chapari. Do you know chapari? Chapari, do you know? This is chapari. I don't know. What is called this in Hindi? This is called? What do you call this in your language? We call this in our language chapari. This part? Pa? Leg is complete this. Sorry? Pair? All pair means. So this is chapari. Understood now? So here what we use what? Knee Kaf, nikaf we wear.
Excuse me, sir. Baby,
This one,
it's a baby.
this is a body hair because this protect us, right? Okay, understood. Now you can ask me anything from your khur. Khur means you know what? Gai ka khur, bhais ka khur, bakri ka khur, hoof, hoof, SOOF, hoof. Understood? You also ask me. Yes, hoof, SOOF.
SOOF.
हाँ एंड गाय का वो होता है ना क्या होता है उसको we call in ग्वाली in Nepali in Hindi what is called that hey what is called in Hindi this ग्वाली और गाय भैंस रखने का जगह होता है ना what is called that in Hindi no this is in Nepali in Hindi okay that is called in English cow shit ग्वाली cow shit COW cow SHED say SHED cow shit yes cow shit COW SHED cow shit boring stable where we keep horse tabela we say in now koti means you know this is you have nice what hey sawang what is called mole yes mole is koti mole means koti tika is tika here is here and there are many like she has done this hairstyle is called ponytail hairstyle cut me so every thing has meaning in English dara dara is not there okay dara in English we say canon we say but like some girls they have we call beauty teeth and some boys they have handsome teeth we say okay for the boys handsome for the girls beauty teeth we say by the way canon is there okay canon we say dimple is dimple canon no not vampire one only like if some do you have canon I think one lady or one boy I saw oh he has oh you look at Chawang's teeth there you can see this is also called not Chawang Nishan canon Chapri actually Chapri word is originated in India okay Chapri boys they flop KTM in India they ride and KTM is now famous with the name Chapri bike okay standard person don't buy this one this is beauty bone do you have beauty bone and someone you can say by the way we call them shoulder bone okay shoulder bone we can say because this is shoulder and here is bone so we can say bone means addi okay shoulder bone but girls they make this to be look beautiful so we say beauty bone understood now is there any implement means to execute okay like you learn formula you memorize words now you are using in sentence that means you are implementing what happened you yes leg yes leg in leg fingers not leg they are called not fingers toes we say manicure pedicure have you heard this rich people go to beauty parlor to have this manicure and pedicure okay understood now toes these are called yes enhance means look to give effort like you are enhancing your talent is in you and you are taking out enhancing like they are not enhancing their talent they don't speak when I keep this mic inside that they lose everything confidence knowledge everything they lose okay
Some black horse, they don't want to share with us.
yes some of them are black horse Dark horse.
Dark horse.
Oh, I think some of you are dark horse. You don't want to share your knowledge with us. Dark horse. Yes. Sorry. Musa. Musa is Musa. House Musa is red. Okay. And in body, I'm coming there. In body, this masa we say in Hindi. This is called what? W-A-R-T. W-A-R-T. What? What means masa? Understood, brother? Now I'm going to ask you. Is there any question now?
Yes, sir. While.
Sorry.
While. W-H-I-L.
W-H-I-L-E while और W-H-E-N when इसका मतलब होता है जब. Listen. We'll know the meaning of now. Wait, listen. We'll know the meaning of while and when. देखो. Oh, Dipesh bhai, listen. Okay. A nice question he has asked. So while or when ये दोनों का मतलब होता है जब. हिंदी नेपाली में जब हुन्छ. जब. बिना क्वेश्चन में हुन्छ. लाइक वाइल और वेन. वाइल का यूज हम लोग तब करते हैं जब कोई चीज चल रहा होता है. जैसे कि जब मैं सिलीगुड़ी से आ रहा था. While I was coming from सिलीगुड़ी. जब मैं इंग्लिश सीख रहा था क्योंकि एक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन. While I was learning English. जब मैं फुटबॉल खेल रहा था. While I was playing football. लेकिन when का मतलब होता है जब मैं घर में था. जब तुम अच्छे थे. अंडरस्टूड यू. जब मैं तुम्हारे साथ था.
While I was with you.
So you have not understood. That's why I was asking you to give attention here. जब म तिमीसँग थियो. जब मैं तुम्हारे साथ था. जब मैं तुम्हारे साथ था.
While I was with you.
जब म तिमीसँग थिएँ.
Java. When.
खान. जब मैं तुम्हारे साथ था.
When I was with you.
When I was with you. See. सीखना नहीं सीखना वो खुद पर होता है. अभी मैं चिल्ला कर बोला कि नहीं बोला छो. I was shouting and saying, give attention, learn it, but you people were not giving attention. I knew. Wait. तो अभी when और while दोनों का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. मैं बोला ना इन हिंदी और इन नेपाली सेम मीनिंग यू विल फाइंड. when मतलब कब, while मतलब also कब. लेकिन while कब यूज करते हैं जब कोई चीज चल रहा होता है. मतलब काम रनिंग होता है. तो मैंने सवाल क्या पूछा. जब मैं तुम्हारे साथ था. तो ये क्या चल रहा था नहीं. तो इसमें क्या लगाना पड़ेगा हम लोगों को. when I was with you. लेकिन जब मैं तुम्हारे साथ बाइक में जा रहा था. अब while I was going with you by bike. Understood now? अब बोलो. जब मैं पढ़ रही थी.
जब मैं पढ़ रही थी. When I was studying.
जब मैं पढ़ रहा था.
जब मैं पढ़ रहा था. While I was reading.
Understood now? जब मैं खेल रहा था.
वे समझ जाता.
जब मैं खेल रहा था.
Well, I
ओके. जब मैं खेल रहा था.
well I watch football. Watch football. Play
Sorry?
football.
Yes,
Well I play football.
No. जब मैं खेल रही थी.
Well, I was playing.
Yes. जब हम लोग खुश थे.
जब हम लोग खुश थे. When we was happy.
No. जब हम लोग खुश थे.
When we were happy.
Yes. जब मैं मोटी थी.
When I was fat.
इन हिंदी है लास्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके. जब मैं गाना गा रही थी. जब मैं गाना गाऊं. ठीक है. गाना में सिंगिंग.
Well, I am singing.
Sorry.
Well, I am singing.
Yes. Well, I was singing. Good. Okay. Now you say. जब